episode 28 here, and today I am reviewing you Cars 3 Demo Derby Bill. So here's the look of Bill, and this is the sign it comes with. And I have the sign that's over there. Here, I'll approach it to you. So you can see Dexter's motor oil right here. So, and it comes with a mini sign here. So there's Bill, and then on the back it has liability, airborne. I have airborne, but I can't find him. Jambalaya Chimichanga, I'm probably gonna get him soon. Chester Whipple Filter, and Superfly. I have this guy. So I'll be back in a sec to show you Superfly. Okay, so this is Superfly. Okay, so there's Superfly. You go over there. But for right now, let's open Bill. So I'm probably going to do this off camera. So just pay attention for a few minutes on Superfly. You know what? I'm going to do it on camera. Okay, so this is Bill out of the package. Let's take a look at first look. And this car actually appears in two videos. One was Lil Harkey when he did the review of T-Bone. I have a diecast custom over there. I'll show you in a little bit. But let's focus on Bill. So Bill was like the mean guy, and then he like took out APB, broadside, barely almost T-Bone, and then T-Bone swipes out of the way, and then Bill went crazy until he lost a tire. Just like that. And yes, these tires do come off. And as you can see, this rolls pretty well. You see, it's kind of a little smaller than Superfly, but don't worry, he'll get into the age. Take that. And it also came with a buildable sign. So I try to put it up right after the unboxing, and it keeps falling apart. So give me a few seconds for me to do it. Okay, there you go. Here's the sign all fixed. So Bill comes and smash right through the wall. And there was the other video that had Bill in it was a custom from Kid Friendly Videos. Yep. Lil Harkey and Kid Friendly Videos are both of one of my favorite YouTubers. Go to their website, and then you'll find all types of their custom of. Take a look at this guy's channel. Kid friendly videos. He actually made a video of the custom build. He made it from leak glass. And then it looks like Bill kind of has a little bit of some rust. Wait, why isn't the back door painted? And there was also a scene in Cars 3 Demolition Derby where he was in a fritter plow with Patty and Sigler. I'll show you a picture of him soon. So, wait, I'll tell you all about it. So, Chester just stopped, and then Taco was whimpering, and then this fritter came and made a huge pile up with Sigler, Bill, and Patty. And then Bill said, "Hey, Patty," and then Patty said, "Oh, hey, Bill." And I didn't even get to see Sigler, except a few scenes with the sign, and when this fritter's big breakdown. Yeah, that's why I meant breakdown. And that's the only scene where I saw Bill. That's the only scene I saw him. So, I hope you liked this video. Sorry I made it too long, but don't worry, you'll get the hang of it. I hope you liked this video. If you did, smash that like button, and I will see you in the next video, and make sure to subscribe. Also, here's a joke. Why did Superfly make himself fly? Because he was called Superfly. You get the joke, right? Okay, maybe. Well, see you in the next video. Next video will be Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on our next video coming up next. So we hope to see you next time. Bye.